Hi, I am Mr. Hafiz from Masters Academy. Today in front of you to just announce SBI PO job scheme. So you please go through the official website, and the official website link will be given in description. You please go through here. So this is the recruitment process, and you can apply from today 5th October to 25th October. And the advertisement, for the advertisement, you please click here, and to apply you please click here. That's it. And just look into the notification. Yes, now the tentative dates and everything. The registration process from 5th October 2021 to 25th October 2021. And coming to the payment, even payment will be done on the 5th October to 25th October 2021. And the first week or second week of the November, the exam hall ticket can be downloaded, and the first phase prelims exam will be conducted in the month of November as well as December 2021, and the results will be declared in the month of December, and the call letters for the main exam will be available from second or third week of the December 2021 onwards. And the phase 2 online main exam will be in the month of December 2021, and the declaration of results will be in the month of January 2022, and the phase 3 call letters, that is for the interview, so first or second week of the February 2022 onwards, and the second week or the third week of February 2022, the interviews and group exercises, everything can be done, and the final results will be declared in the month of February or March 2022. So this is the shortest span. Within the shortest span, you can write your exam and you can get your results, and you can write your main exams and get your interview, and after the interview you can get your job. This is what the SBI PO at present. So if you look into details, the age criteria and the educational qualifications, we will check now. Yes, coming to the age criteria here, as on 1st April 2021, not below 21 and not above 30. That means from 21 to 30. If anybody belongs to 21 to 30 and the qualification, and I'll come to the educational qualifications again, then they can apply. And the category, for as usual for the reservations, SC and ST, it's a 5 years age relaxation. OBC, a non-creamy layer, it's a 3 years age relaxation, and the benchmarks for PWD and as well as all the reservations are as usual. Okay, when coming to the educational qualifications, we will look. Yes, coming to the educational qualifications here, as on 31st December 2021, due to Corona, the date is extended like this. So you please utilize the best opportunity. Whoever are in a final year, they can apply until and unless they'll get the certificates at the time of interview, and they can submit the same. Right? So later we will just speak about the exam pattern. Whoever are very new, for them I'll discuss. Coming to the exam pattern, the prelim exam is English 30 questions and quantitative aptitude 35 questions and reasoning 35 questions total. In total, it's 100 questions. And the maximum marks is again 100. Each question carries 1 mark, and the stipulated time is a section based cutoff is there. So that is only 20 minutes is available to write 30 questions. You cannot get the other sections time for this section. So 20 minutes to write, to solve 35 questions, and 20 minutes 35. That means 20 plus 20 plus 20, it's 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. So you have 1 hour exam for the prelims. That is stage 1. Right? Coming to the mains exam, the pattern here is reasoning and computer aptitude. It's a 45 questions available, and 60 maximum marks, and 35 questions for the data analysis and interpretation. It's a 60 marks, and general economy and banking awareness 40 questions and 40 marks. And coming to the English language, it's 35 questions, 40 marks. So in total, so 155 questions, so marks is 200 marks. And for the each section, the time is divided into, for the first section it's a 60 minutes, which is for reasoning and computer aptitude, and 45 minutes for data analysis and interpretation, and 35 minutes for the banking awareness, and 40 minutes for the English. So in total it's a 3 hours exam. So wish you all the best for you, and you please do apply for SBI PO jobs. Nearly it's 2,000 plus jobs are there, vacancies. And coming to the Masters Academy, what we are providing here is, in app we are providing the Masters Academy Mr. Hafiz e-learning app. So in Mr. Hafiz e-learning app, so in the store, the banking crash course is available at just 1499 rupees. What is there inside the banking awareness, banking job, banking crash course is the languages, so updated content, and learn where and when, anytime. So you can, because it's just in your hands. So best approach to solve the questions, and chapter wise as well as mixed practice tests will be available. So here the content, so arithmetic nearly 166 videos are present, and reasoning 90 videos are present. For the English 47 videos are present. So you please go through that, and there are few test series in the Mr. Hafiz e-learning app also. You please go through that and use the best resource out of the market. So wish you all the best. And I just want to announce you one thing, that is, whoever are interested to come up for the offline classes, so for 1 month you can pay fee, and you can practice your exams, online content, access to the online content, and access to the offline content, and access to the doubts, and access and monitor, and you can take our guidance. So for that we are just charging 3,000 rupees. No admissions in the middle of any month. So if you get admitted to Masters Academy, and you are required to come from the beginning of the month to the end of the month. So if it is the monthly charge, so no admissions in the middle of the month. So if you want to get admission, you please book early, and on 1st to the 31st you can come to the classes, and you can access to all online as well as offline contents. So wish you all the best. If you get any doubt, you can call 9912057565. So wish you all the best. Bye bye.